So I took some time off from filming vlog style video, just to live life a little bit. And now here we go. Saturday, going to Ikea. It's probably a bad idea. There's so many people here.
I do like that, and it's blue.
So we're inside Ikea. Super busy. Now we're thinking of things that we wanted to do and just haven't done. This place is dangerous.
Like round.
I mean, you know I love the white round table.
I don't want white. Well, I mean, you can walk in a minute. I like it. Because you can still get 6 chairs. That's not yours. It's not yours. That's not yours. Someone else. It's hot. It's a nice day, but it's hot. Ikea was good. Got what we needed. Got some stuff to show you guys. And yeah, some cool things to talk about. Yeah. So I took some time off from filming vlog style video, just to live life a little bit. And now here we go. I'm going to relaunch this vlog and try to do it every day for a couple of reasons. One, getting very serious into launching this company, and I want to capture it. I want to document it. So I'm going to use this for that. Also, just as an exercise. I haven't been making as much video. Took some time off from that as well. So going to get back into that. I mentioned it in previous videos. You can check out some of the other ones I've done, but I run a company called Scribe Delivery. So Scribe Delivery is part of a larger company that I run with a partner. And we haven't talked a lot about any of the other sites. So I'm going to use this space to talk about that and to sort of show what we're doing and to give you some behind the scenes looks and hopefully just capture what it's like for a normal everyday guy to get through life with a wife, a kid, trying to launch a company, trying to grow a company, and get a bunch of websites running. So we've got Scribe Delivery. The other one that we are pushing right now is called Please Be Cookies. Please Be Cookies is a care package site. It's not a subscription like Scribe Delivery is. It's an event-based sale. Once a month, we are going to put up a box of stuff for college kids or high school kids, really whoever, but students, school supplies, fun stuff. It's going to be cool. I'm going to show as much of that since we haven't technically launched that site yet. I'm going to try to capture as much of that on video as I can. And then we're going to try to capture as much behind the scenes of Scribe Delivery as we can. There's a chance you'll see some spoilery stuff for all of these sites on these videos. I'm going to try to avoid that, but I'm also going to try to be really transparent and show you guys as much as we can. So, the company, currently 2 sites up and running, a third in the process. I'm not going to reveal that one yet, but it's findable. You could find it if you wanted to. And then hopefully by the end of 2016, we're going to have 4 websites running. It's a lot of work, but some cool stuff going on. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope we can all learn something together. I'm gonna try to show a lot of tactical stuff and a lot of strategic stuff for running a small business online. Ate dinner. Gotta run out again. Forgot the whole reason we went out. Not really. We just came up for dinner first. Gotta clean up this mess too. This house is a mess. I try to be patient,
Nope. See, look, my forehead. Okay. Okay, Mama got you. Mama got you.
For the August box, we're doing a back to school theme, though that's not technically what it is. Back to school, but upscale. We'll tell you more later. I got some in the mail. Should be what I think it is. Let's check this out. Yes, nice. Very nice. My finger's bleeding. I got blood on the package. These are the Blackwing Joe DiMaggio pencils, volume 56. It's for the 56 consecutive games. 56 game hit streak, I should say, for Joe DiMaggio. Awesome. Let's check these out. Check out that pinstripe. But yeah, that's how we're treating this. It's been a long day, and I am gonna go to bed now.